Okay, so let's build a menu with the software here. The first thing you do is you put the text that you want in here to show on a button that you push to show the menu. So this will create a little button that you just put on your site. When people click on it, the menu will appear. So you can either leave the text as it is or change it the way you like. Let's click next. The menu width in pixels defaults 250, so I'm just going to leave that. Menu position, left or right. So of course that'll make it slide from the left or right side of your site. Now I should say that the display that comes up at the end of this, it doesn't do this because it needs to be uploaded to the server. So it ignores this during the display here, but once you put it on your website, it does work properly. Okay, now the menu background color, this is a light blue, and that's a hex code, but you can change this to any color you want. I'm just going to leave it at the defaults to show you what the defaults look like. Okay, let's click next. The text color is white. Again, you can use words or hex. The hover background color, this is kind of a very dark blue. Again, you can change that if you want. Now, what we're going to be doing is putting in 2 navigation links. If we need more than that, we do a little bit of code change at the end here, but we'll just put in the first 2. So let's say google.com. And then the text for that is Google. Now you don't have to worry about capitalizing it because it capitalizes everything by itself. The next one will say yahoo.com. Of course, you use your own site links or wherever it is you want to link off to. Okay, so here I'll say Yahoo. Okay, now here you have some optional text that you can put at the bottom of your site, and this is an HTML box, so you can actually put pictures or anything you want in here by using the proper HTML. I'm just going to put extra text in here so you can see where it shows up and generate. Okay, now as you see, well, let's click this. As you see, it ignores right and left because it won't work properly in this software display. But here you are. This is the default background color. Here's the 2 links you put in and the hover color. Okay, now here we have instructions and we need to download 3 files. So what you do is you right click and you save target as. And I'm going to save this to my test directory where my website is. So just save all 3 of these. That's 1. Save target as. That's 2. And right click on the 3rd one, save target as. And that's 3. Okay, now here's the instructions. We'll click on this, and what we do is we add the following code to the head section of your page. Okay, so starting here, we roll down to there, just above the second item there. So then we copy. Now let's open up our website and we'll put that into the head section. Okay, so here are the files that we downloaded. Now let's open this and we'll do open with Notepad. And then I'll roll down to where the head is. So here's the bottom head tag, and I'm going to stick it right above there. Now I'm going to save this. Now for the next part, I'm going to open it with Composer so I know where I'm going to put the link. Okay, so here's Composer. It's a free web editor that you can download. Let's just open here. And I'm going to open this. And then I'm going to go down to where I want to put the actual link here. Okay, so say I want to put it right here. Now what we do, let's go back here, and it says place the following link or place the following line of code on your page where you want the toggle button to appear. So we just grab this one line, copy, and then where we want it. So I'm going to put it here, do insert, HTML, paste this in here, insert, and there's the button. Okay, save this. Okay, so that's the only other thing we have to do now is upload it, but I want to show you one thing here. We only have 2 menu items when we put this on here, and here they are here. So if you want more than 2, all you do is copy one of these lines and then paste it back in here, and then just change this. So we'll say Bing, and then we'll say here Bing. Okay, so anytime you need to change your menu, you only have to modify this one file called togglemenu.txt. Okay, so get that the way you want it. You can go and find all the links that you need and put them in there. Okay, so the next thing we do is upload it to our server. Okay, so let's just select all of our files here, upload. Once it's uploaded, we'll bring it up in our browser and test it out. Okay, so here's our website, here's our button, and there is our menu there. And here's the third one we added, Bing here. Okay, so that's how you add different things to your menu just by copy and paste. Click that again and it hides. Okay, so that's how you use the software to create a slide out menu.